UH7000-25 times 1/1.8 inches. Ultra HD PTZ camera. Equipped with a next-gen 1/1.8 inches Sony CMOS, delivering broadcast-quality 4K 60 UHD output for large-scale productions. Supports NDI-HX3 protocol. A single cable delivers low-bandwidth, ultra-low latency 4K video, saving network resources and ensuring smooth, stable production. Multiple output interfaces provide forward-looking compatibility and allow seamless upgrade from HD to UHD systems. Preset a tracking target. When the person enters the frame, the camera locks and follows automatically, keeping the subject centered, ideal for streaming, lectures, or live demos. Preset 4 tracking zones via web. When a person enters, the camera captures both the subject and surrounding scene, ideal for large, distant spaces. Supports unrestricted movement, seamlessly switches zones, and adapts to intelligent tracking for precise subject following. Automatically identifies and tracks multiple subjects without manual switching, perfect for meetings, group discussions, and team presentations. Supports real-time detection of multiple faces in the frame and automatically mosaics the head or body without manual intervention. Ideal for scenarios with strict privacy requirements such as public security, healthcare, and interviews. 3D outputs camera positional data for seamless integration into virtual studios and AR scenes, no encoder needed. UH7000-25, the all-scenario professional PTZ flagship.